The buzz around DJI possibly entering the mirrorless camera market has been quietly building, and it's no surprise why. The company that has dominated the drone and gimbal world might soon make a major leap into the world of standalone cameras, a move that could reshape how creators approach photography and videography. Although nothing has been officially confirmed yet, whispers of a DJI mirrorless camera arriving in 2025 have caught the attention of tech enthusiasts and professional shooters alike. Given DJI's track record in stabilization and imaging, the idea of them producing a hybrid camera is incredibly compelling. Pairing their expertise with Hasselblad's renowned color science could create a mirrorless camera that stands out from the rest. DJI's drones and gimbals have already proven the company's mastery in stabilization and smooth motion capture. Bringing that same technology into a compact camera body could give users an entirely new level of handheld stability, potentially rivaling even high-end gimbals. Combined with Hasselblad-inspired color profiles, the camera could produce photos and videos that look ready for professional use straight out of the camera, minimizing the need for heavy post-production work. What makes this potential release especially interesting is the audience DJI appears to be targeting. The rumored camera would focus on hybrid creators, those who switch between photography and filmmaking with ease. Professionals, advanced hobbyists, and content creators who demand both cinematic video and high-resolution stills could find this camera to be the perfect all-in-one solution. It would sit in the same league as flagship models like the Sony Alpha 1, Canon EOS R5, and Nikon Z8, all of which combine incredible speed, resolution, and video performance in a single package. Unlike DJI's current imaging tools, which act more as accessories to other gear, a mirrorless body would be a creator's main weapon, capable of delivering professional-grade results in the studio, on location, or even in the air through DJI's drone integration. Stabilization is where DJI's potential camera could really shine. If their experience with gimbals and drones translates into in-body image stabilization, we could be looking at one of the smoothest handheld shooting experiences ever seen in a mirrorless system. It would allow creators to capture cinematic movement without the need for extra rigs or gear. Perfect for vloggers, travelers, and filmmakers who value both portability and performance. Imagine shooting handheld footage that feels like it's on rails, even in low light or while walking through busy streets. Something DJI already excels at with its existing technology. Video performance is another area where expectations are running high. Leaks suggest that DJI's mirrorless model could offer 6K or even 8K internal recording with high frame rates for cinematic slow motion. That kind of power, paired with a clean and intuitive user interface, could make it a dream for hybrid creators who need to switch between photo and video modes quickly. Customizable controls would allow for instant access to settings like exposure, frame rate, and focus, which is crucial when working in fast-paced environments. There's also talk about a modular design, which would give creators flexibility in how they build their setups. From lightweight travel configurations to fully rigged studio builds, the camera could adapt to a range of shooting styles. DJI's strength in wireless connectivity would likely play a big role too. Seamless mobile integration, remote operation, and quick footage transfers could make this one of the most creator-friendly systems on the market. Early price speculation places the camera around $2,800 to $2,900, putting it in the upper mid-tier of professional mirrorless systems. At that price, it would compete directly with Sony and Canon's flagship hybrid cameras, but remain more affordable than medium-format systems. Considering DJI's ecosystem of drones, gimbals, and software, that price could represent strong value, especially if the company manages to integrate everything smoothly across devices. If DJI can deliver on performance, stabilization, and image quality, this could disrupt the mirrorless market in a big way. Sony, Canon, and Nikon have dominated for years, thanks to their deep lens ecosystems and decades of refinement. But DJI's approach could bring something fresh, an emphasis on ecosystem integration, mobility, and stabilization that traditional camera makers haven't fully achieved. For creators already invested in DJI's lineup, this camera could simplify workflows by letting them move seamlessly between aerial shots, handheld footage, and studio setups without having to juggle multiple systems or color profiles. Of course, entering the mirrorless market won't be easy. DJI will have to establish a strong lens lineup, provide consistent firmware updates, and ensure long-term reliability if they want professionals to take them seriously. A camera can have the best specs in the world, But if it lacks the ecosystem to support it, it won't survive in a market where reliability is everything. That's why the rumored 2025 timeline makes sense. It gives DJI the time to refine hardware, software, and lens compatibility before making a serious debut. If executed properly, this move could redefine hybrid shooting. A camera that combines DJI's stabilization, Hasselblad's color science, and next-gen video capabilities in a single system could save creators time, simplify production, and deliver stunning results right out of the camera. From vloggers and travel filmmakers to professional production teams, this rumored DJI mirrorless camera could be the all-around solution many have been waiting for. It would represent not just another new camera on the market, but a shift toward unified creative ecosystems, where every tool works together seamlessly to help creators produce their best work faster and more efficiently.